Welcome back to Day 1 German, episode 11 of 20. I'm Felix, and this is week 3, Actions and Time, the verb week.
And I'm Leonie. We start with the single most important verb in all of journalism, and also your breakfast.
Today's sentence puts a politician and your breakfast in the same headline. Real news speed.
Der Minister sagt, Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer. Here it is, one more time, slowly. Der Minister sagt, Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer.
Here it is, the most used verb in German news, says.
Sagt, sagt.
Your turn. Repeat after Leonie.
Sagt.
Think about what news actually is. People saying things. The minister says, the police say, experts say. Master this one verb, and you've mastered the skeleton of half of all news sentences.
And here's today's quirk, Felix. Listen to how German news quotes someone. Der Minister sagt, Brot und Milch sind teurer. Hear that little cliff edge after the verb. German news loves the colon. The minister says, beat, and then the quote, delivered straight.
So when you hear, sagt, and a pause, brace yourself. The actual story is coming next. Your turn. Say the launching phrase. The minister says.
Der Minister sagt. Der Minister sagt. The verb's relatives for your sheet. To speak, to ask, to answer. Sprechen, fragen, antworten.
And what's the news? Breakfast, bread.
Das Brot. Das Brot.
Your turn?
Das Brot. Milk. Die Milch. Die Milch. Die Milch. 2 more you'll order daily, water and coffee. Das Wasser. Der Kaffee.
And the 2 verbs that go with all of it. To eat, to drink. Your turn after Leonie. Both.
Essen, trinken. Essen, trinken. The full food kit, fruit, vegetables, meat, the supermarket essentials, is on today's sheet. Food words pull double duty. In the news when prices rise, and on the menu when you visit.
And the bad news itself, more expensive. You know the word for expensive from Money Day. To compare, German does exactly what English does. Adds an
Teuer, teurer.
Expensive, more expensive. Your turn, just the comparison.
Teurer. Teurer. When? This year. Dieses Jahr. Dieses Jahr. Dieses Jahr.
Now the full complaint. Bread and milk are more expensive this year. Repeat after Leonie.
Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer. Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer.
From the top, Leonie, slowly.
Der Minister sagt, Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer.
The minister says, bread and milk are more expensive this year. Real speed.
Der Minister sagt, Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer. Your turn. The whole thing, cliff edge and all. Repeat after me. Der Minister sagt, Brot und Milch sind dieses Jahr teurer. Sehr gut.
Day 11. The engine of journalism. To say. The news colon, breakfast, and your first comparison. The sheet at linguawire.com/day1 has the full food kit, 25 words, free and printable.
And today's 10-minute homework includes a listening drill on the news colon pattern. Once you've got it, you'll hear it in every single bulletin. Morgen, tausende Menschen kommen nach Deutschland.
Tomorrow, thousands of people are coming to Germany. Movement and the map. See you then.
Bis morgen